Dear student, today we are going to start a chapter that is called circle. Now before we will start this chapter, I would like to explain you about some theorems which are there in case of circle. Say this is a circle with center O and radius is R. Now some related terms I am going to discuss here first. Say a line which divides a circle into two parts, that is called chord of a circle. This is the chord of a circle. Ready? Now say this is a circle and this is the diameter. Diameter is the chord which passing through the center, and diameter is also called, it is the largest chord of a circle. Now say a line which touches a circle at one point is called tangent. If suppose from this P we are drawing a line which cuts circle in two parts, that is AB, what we will call PT is a tangent, PB is a secant. Now one relationship is there between tangent and secant. PT square is equal to PA into PB. There is a relationship between tangent, this is a tangent and this is a secant. Okay, you all have to memorize this relationship. With the basis of this relationship, so lots of numericals are there. Now say this is a circle and these are the two chords of a circle which intersect. AB and CD are the two chords of a circle which intersect at a point P. Then what we will write? We will write PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. This is the area of the rectangle formed by their segments of the chord. Getting? Now this is a unit relationship. If suppose these two chords are being intersected, where say inside or outside the circle, if so there they will intersect outside, like this. The diagram will be there like this. This is the point P. This is a chord AB and this is your CD. What we will write here? PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Getting? Now one more concept here I am going to explain, that is, see here, say angle made by an arc at the center. This is an angle made by an arc AB at the center. Getting? And if the same arc is making angle any part of the circle, say this is your x, then this angle will be x by 2. Getting? If an arc make an angle at any part of the circle, it will be twice the angle subtended by it at the center. Understood? With the help of this theorem, we can say that this is the diameter and this is the angle subtended by the arc. This is the angle. This angle is always 90 degree. What we will say? We can say here that angle APB is equal to 90. Why? We will call this angle as angle in a semicircle. What we will call? Angle in a semicircle. Now say this is a circle and this is a chord which divides this circle into two segments. One is called minor segment, another one is called the major segment. See, dear student, here this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because they are angles in the same segment. angles in the same segment. Getting? Now, one more concept is there. Say this is a circle and this is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. The vertices of the quadrilateral lie on the arc of a circle. Means what we will call ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Getting? Its property is angle A plus angle C is equal to 180, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. This is called cyclic quadrilaterals. Sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is how much? This is 180. Getting? Now see, dear student, with the help of this theorem, we are going to do several numericals given in the exercise as well as examples. Now we are going to discuss few examples here. Getting? Now first of all, I would like to discuss this example. See, dear student, in this figure, this is your 30 degree, this is your 40 degree. What you have to find? You have to find this angle. Which angle? This angle. Getting? How will you find? Say at first we will take this triangle. Now what we will say? That this is equal to this. Why? They are the radii. They are the radii. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Getting? Similarly, what we will say in this triangle? This is equal to this. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Say angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, or isosceles triangle property. That means what? This angle is how much? This is your 30 and this is your 40. Then the complete angle will be how much? It will be 70. Now, if suppose this is 70, then what will be this angle? Angle BOC is equal to twice of angle BAC. Ready? 2 into 70, this is your 140. Got? See. See this diagram nicely, dear student. This blue line quadrilateral is given. What we have drawn, we have done this construction with a red pen. I have done here with the help of pencil. You have to do this one. Okay. Now, what you have to find here? You have to find angle OPR. OPR. That means this angle you have to find. How will you find? Now listen. Say we have extended these points. Now quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. As you know that angle S is equal to 180 minus angle Q. This is your 80 degree. Getting? Now we have got this angle. Now we'll find this angle. How? This angle is equal to twice of this. That is your 160 degree. Got? Now come to this triangle. Though this and these are radius, therefore this is an isosceles triangle. This angle is equal to this angle. What will write? Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. Though this is equal to this one, we'll write and we'll put the value of UR. And now this will go to this side. 160 will get subtracted here. This will be 20. Angle OPR is equal to 10. Getting? Angle OPR is equal to 10. Nicely you see. Okay. OPR, ORP and PQR equal to 180. Now angle twice of angle OPR plus, in place of this we have written 160. This equal to 180. Now this 160 will go to this side and will get subtracted here. The result is 20. Now angle OPR is equal to 10. Serious student, one more example I am showing you. This one. See the figure nicely. You see this figure. This figure is given. What you have to find? Angle CAB you have to find, means this angle. Getting? This angle you have to find. How will you get this one? Say in triangle OBD. In triangle OBD, what you are going to say? OB equal to OD equal to OB. This is an equilateral triangle. Then all the angles are how much? 60. All the angles are 60. Now in triangle BD, this one, this triangle will take. Okay. Now this angle is 90. This angle is 90. This is your 60. Then what will this one will be? 30. Got? Okay. Now BDE is equal to what we will write? BDC. Both are the same angles. Now BAC equal to BDC. Getting? Why? Angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Now, see dear student here. this is the diagram. This diagram will be given. What you have to find here? APB means this angle you have to find. Okay. Now what you will write? This is given AOB. AOB. This reflects. This reflects. Very. This is a 296. Okay. Then what will write? ACB. ACB equal to half of this reflex. Got. This is your 148. Once you have got this value 148, then half of this is equal to this one. Are you getting this one? Serious student, these questions are very easy one. Only the thing is there, you should have to know the concept and how to apply the concept. See this figure. This is a figure. This angle is y, 120, and this is your x. You have to find x and y. How will you find? Say 120, this angle will be how much? This will be 60. Once you are getting this angle 60, then this will be 120. Getting? Okay. Now, up to this much, what are the examples are given in the chapter? Dear student, you all have to practice those examples nicely. Very simple one. Okay. Complete the chapters properly.